Yeah, boy. Best part of the day.
Bring back the old time days. Bring back them old time ways. I know everything must change, but I still love the old time days. Used to be everyone could afford to live right, just to feel nice, didn't need no paradise. Now open your eyes, look around, smoke in the city, and what was pretty, crying out for sympathy. So bring back the old time days. Bring back them
Dip here now.
old time
We take a dip.
ways.
We have good water today, boy. Good water today. Plenty parts of the country say no water. But the springing today. Oh boy, I love these parsley, but they need a little more attention than some of the other plants. Look at them all here. Look at the size of these parsley. Huh. You think I'm ready for market? Think I'm ready for first picking? Real full and nice. Woo! It just make all the hard work worth it now. Yeah boy, I really work hard with these parsley. Sure, look at that. It's like more than a foot long. Like about 16, 18 inches long. Yeah boy. But I only reach here. I don't do down there. I only reach here. I have until up there to go. Anybody watching, give me a like, follow my page, give me a little strength, a little powers to go on. You know, I clean all of this. Me and some Venezuelan friends, we clean this by hand, no spray. These parsley never get spray. And look how they're coming. The only thing is we're not using the weeder side, we just pull them by hand. But they're growing back, we have to get them a little thing. So when all you see my parsley, you see me selling my parsley, no it's organic. No spray at all, no fertilizer at all, nothing. Just attention and water. That's it. Tell me what you think. Who like parsley?
Bring it back, bring it back. Just bring it back, bring it back.
Oh, I'm coming down here. Stay safe, TNT. Stay home. I can't even get a barber to get my shave. Watch me. I'm in a mess. I down here alone. I be here alone. Since Corona touched down, everybody had to stay home. But some people not staying home. Everybody essential to themselves. Yeah, I is essential worker. But what are you essential for? You're essential for yourself. Stay home and let me get this thing. When I not home, I hear and watch what going on. There's nobody here. I don't have to worry about spreading it to anybody. I sit down on the fan, I come here. I sit down on the fan, I go home. That's it. Always stay home now. So I'll be here most of the day without any family to talk to, anything. So I just talk to the plants. You know? Follow me, leave a like. What do you think? Food production essential, we should stay outside. But people who not into food production or frontline workers, nurse and thing, always stay home, not all you tell them stay home. I ain't gonna let all you leave just so. Let me give you a piece of the best part of the day. The best part of the day is getting a nice big cover. Good, the sunlight blowing it out. You can't see it. I was used to pick that. A 2-inch pipe. If it's big enough, it will stick on top there. If it's not, it will slide straight underneath and I catch it here. So watch how we're doing this. Take the pipe. Go up to the cover like this. Chuck. Oh! Ah boy, trying to hold the camera, it didn't work out good. But anyhow. Woohoo! Yeah boy. Best part of the day. Usually it would, let's see. Oh, he was a little too big, that's what go on there. Usually it would just slide in there and I catch it below. But, give him a little wipe there. Taste test.
Bring it back, bring it back.
Stay home. Bye-bye.